Welcome to Chint Precision Technology Factory, nestled in the heart of Songjiang, Shanghai. As a leader in drives and automation, it specializes in delivering cutting-edge, reliable solutions for frequency converters, soft starters, and servo systems, driving innovation and efficiency across industries. With a product range spanning over 30 series and thousands of variations, it produces more than 200,000 units annually. The factory has established a comprehensive quality management system. During PCBA production, high-precision surface mount system and selective wave soldering ensure accurate component placement and soldering. This is followed by FCT and ICT 100% functional testing and additional quality checks, including automatic conformal coating, automatic optical inspection, and SPI paste checks to maintain top quality. From electronic components to fully automated processes and real-time digital monitoring, this system meets key standards like GBT 14048.1 and GBT 23.10, ensuring each PCBA is stable and reliable. In final assembly, the factory operates 10 flexible automated production lines. These include systems like automatic silicone grease coating to boost efficiency and soldering quality. Critical processes, such as UV curable conformal coating, create durable, chemically resistant insulation layers. All products undergo high-voltage testing post-assembly to ensure insulation and safety. Over 80 automated devices, including high-temperature aging systems and load motors, evaluate the long-term performance of products before they leave the factory, ensuring reliability. Finally, automated packaging and warehousing systems streamline logistics, while MES provides real-time production data, helping management optimize processes and ensure timely delivery. Chint Precision Technology Factory caters to specialized industries such as lifting machinery, mining equipment, and textile machinery, providing customized frequency converters, integrated drive control systems, and tailored solutions. With a team of industry experts and a dedicated research institute, Chint focuses on enhancing product performance, optimizing efficiency, and improving reliability. With innovation as the driving force and quality as the foundation, Chint Precision Technology Factory is committed to delivering safe, reliable solutions that will lead the way into a new era of smart industry.